We're going to have both a kind of a scale factor type problem and also an area problem. So this is our geometry. Skip to the little box over there. The areas of the triangles pictured above are equal. What is the height of the second triangle? So we need the little x. We need to find that side. The areas of these triangles are the same. You have to recall the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times height. Or you can just think, or you can just think of it as a rectangle that has been cut in half. And so you need to take half of what would be, there, kind of fix that. Anyway, half of what would have been the area of the rectangle. So the area of this triangle, 8 times 6 is 48, and half of that, so the area of this triangle is 24. So we need the area of this triangle to be the same. We need it to be 24 also. Now there's a couple ways we can look at that, and when we did 8 times 6 we got 48, so we could reason, well, 16 times what is 48? Well, we could have done 8 times 6 was 48 and divided it by 16, or we could have set up the equation, we need half of 16 times something to equal 24, and we could have solved it that way. And our answer, of course, is 3 centimeters would be the correct answer, answer B. I want to look at this as a reasoning it through also as a scale factor type question. If the area is going to remain the same, and one side, 8, has doubled to 16, then the other side is going to have to be smaller by the same factor. So if this has gotten 2 times smaller, then this is going to have to be half as big. That way you would have something where you could say 2 times, right? So that would make it 3. So the inverse of getting twice as big from 8 centimeters to 16 centimeters, would be getting half the size. So it's going from 6 to 3. Because we got to keep, when we multiply these two numbers together, they're going to have to be the same thing before we take a half of them, or it could have been something else. So we can think about it that way. And if the area is going to remain constant and one side gets bigger by a certain factor, the other side is going to have to get smaller by that same factor in order for us to have the same result when we multiply the numbers together.